Okay, so today we are finishing up with standard form. So we want to see what the graph looks like when our a value is 0. So we have something for y, but nothing for x. So it wants us to graph the line 2y equals 6. So what's the first thing I need to do in order to graph? Do I like the 2 in front of the y? No. So what do I want to do to get rid of it? So it gets me y equals... What's 6 divided by 2, you guys? 3. So, where is my y-axis? Is that the up and down one or the straight across one? Up and down. So at 3, I'm going to be drawing my line straight across. Because I want it to only go through the y-axis. Wow, that was... I drew it at the wrong spot. Okay. So, when I don't have an x, it shouldn't cross the x-axis. When there's no x, don't cross the x-axis. Okay. Okay, so notice for the equation, y equals 3 does not include x. Therefore, x has no effect on the y values. This means the value of y is 3 for every x value. And the graph is a horizontal line. Okay, so now the next thing I want to look at is when my b value is 0. So this time I have 3x equals negative 6. What do I want to do first? Okay, and what do I get? Negative 2. So, same thing, x equals negative 2 does not include a y, so y has no effect on the x values. And for the value of x, it's negative 2 for every y value. This one is going to be a vertical line. What does the word vertical mean? Straight up and down. So I want to go over to negative 2, and then I'm going to have a straight up and down line. So, to recap, horizontal lines go straight across. And my slope here is 0. Because it's not going up any squares. It just keeps going over. Okay, vertical lines go straight up and down. And my slope is undefined. So for horizontal lines, my equation is y equals a number. My slope is 0. For vertical lines, it's x equals a number. And my slope is undefined. Okay, so on the back there's a word problem. It says she's making trail mix. She has $40 to spend on a mixture of almonds and cashews and wants the same amount of almonds as cashews. How can she determine how many pounds of each nut to buy? So, the first thing we want to do is write and graph an equation to represent the situation. So, I'm going to have my price of almonds and I'm going to multiply that by the letter x plus the price of cashews times the letter y, and she only has $40, so it equals 40. Okay. So what was the price of almonds according to the picture? So I'm going to have 8x, and then how much are cashews? So 10y equals 40. So what do you think I want to do? What were we doing yesterday? Yeah, so we're going to find the x and y intercepts of our equation. So, to find my x-intercept, what letter do I want to be 0? I want the y to be 0. So 10 times 0 is? Do I need to write the plus 0? Okay. Then how do I solve for x? So I get x equals, so my coordinate point is 5, 0. Then I want to go ahead and do the same thing for my y-intercept. So what letter gets the 0, x or y? The x gets the 0. Okay, 8 times 0 is 0. Then I don't have to write that 0, so I have 10y equals 40. How do I get my y alone? So y equals 4. So that gives me an intercept of 0, 4. I'm going to go graph those two on my graph. So I have 5, 0 right here, and 4, 0 right there. 0, 4. So because she can't buy negative almonds, I only want to graph the segment in between the intercepts. And she can't buy negative cashews either. Okay, so every point on this line represents a combination of almonds and cashews that cost a total of $40. So she can buy 5 pounds of almonds and 0 pounds of cashews, and that will cost $40. So if she just buys almonds, she can buy 5 pounds, and if she just buys cashews, she can buy 4 pounds.